Question 9. Solve the equation a minus 4 over 5 equals 2 minus a over 2. Looking at this question, you might be afraid and think this question is hard. It's actually very simple. It's just your understanding of fractions, then you solve. That's simple. You have a minus 4 over 5 on one side equals 2 whole number minus a over 2. Note on this side, the 2 is affecting only the a, that the 2 divides only the a. Not in this case where you have 4 minus a over 5. This 5 affects both of them. But on the right, the 2 affects only the a. Just like question 8, we just have to make it like this where it has a single denominator. Then we cross multiply and we solve. So we can make this 2 over 1. You have a minus 4 over 5 equals, you can find the LCM on this side. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Then 2 divided by 1, that's 2. Then the 2, the result times this 2 here is 4. You put your minus sign. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times a is 1a. You can simply just write a. You don't need to put the 1. At this point, on a standard ground, what you're supposed to do is to multiply both sides by the LCM of 2 and 5, rather than cross multiply. The LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. We can also cross multiply, but the essence of this is to turn these fractions into plain math, where you can easily solve. So you can choose to multiply both sides by 10, or you cross and multiply to get both sides of fraction. So let's take this first. 5 times 4 minus a. So you have 5 into open bracket 4 minus a in close bracket. Note, this 5 affects both the 4 and the a. Put in brackets. Equals, on the other side of the equals sign, you have 2 times a minus 4. You have 2 into open bracket a minus 4. You have to put it in bracket because these 2 affect not just the a or not just the 4, but both the a and the 4. At this point, we open the bracket. This 5 multiplies this 4 and this a, and this 2 on the other side multiplies this a and this 4. So we have 5 times 4, that's 20, and 5 times minus a, that's 5 times minus a. This is plus 5. The 5 has a plus, although it's not written, it's hidden. Anytime it's hidden, it's positive. So plus and minus will give you minus. Then you have 5 times a is 5a equals, on the other side, you have 2 times a is 2a. Then you have 2 times minus 4, because this 4 owns this minus. So it's 2 times minus 4. But because this 2 doesn't have a negative in front of it, so you can just be excused and put your minus here and say 2 times 4 is 8. Because 2 times minus 4 will still give you minus 8. But in cases where you have a minus 2, it's very dangerous. It changes this sign. That's why I'm trying to show you that this 4 owns this minus, and you have to multiply the 2 times the minus 4 and get minus 8. Because if this were minus 2, it's going to change this minus sign to positive 8 here. What we have to do now is to collect like terms. Because I don't want my a negative, I'm taking this minus 5a to the other side to make the 2a, where it's going to be plus 5a, and this minus 8 to the other side to become plus 8. So you have 20. We collect like terms. We take the constants, that's the numbers without the letters or the alphabet, to one side, and take the ones with the letters or the alphabet to the other side. So minus 8 crosses the equals to sign and becomes plus 8, or you say add 8 to both sides. So you have plus 8 equals, then you have 2a, then this minus 5a crosses the equals to sign and turns to plus 5a, or like we say, add 5a to both sides, just to make it plus 5a on this side. On the next line on our left, we do 20 plus 8, that's 28, equals 2a plus 5a, like 2 apples plus 5 apples, you have 7 apples. Like you add the numbers, you put one of the letters behind. At this point, we're looking for a. We divide both sides by 7. 7 here cancels 7. You'll be left with a equals 7 in 7 1. 7 in 28 is 4. So you have our a as 4. From the options, our answer is B, that's 4.